Otra vez en la calle, otra vez arriba de la bici hoy, arriba de la grisecita. La idea de hoy, así como la otra vez mostramos la configuración más pista que quedó en la amarilla, la idea de hoy es mostrar auto. La idea de hoy es mostrar cómo quedó la configuración de esta bici gris, que quedó más del tipo para paseo, más urbana, con las rueditas más anchas y todo eso. Así que vamos a dar una vueltita, vamos al callejón y vamos a mostrar un poquito cómo quedó la bici.
They don't wanna hear conscious-ish, I'm just stating the obvious. They ain't wanna hear common sense before we work with Kanye West. You ever pay your mama's rent with hip-hop props and pocket lint? You can save your much respect, just cut the check. The real is we all alone and saving stuff that's not our own. The reals is spinning, but they've been turned over microphones. Soon as I mention kids without homes, to try and a cop a crib without loans. Your voice too high, switch to alto. Now the ladies like it, sing soprano, sick ass assholes. Now I collect the dishes past old. I was just trying to throw kids to bad hoes, to live in bad homes and pick them banjos and spitting fast flow until they chop out and screwed it. That's how they start to screw us. Everything sounded stupid. I'm wishing out for movement in any direction. Seems the current events need plenty protection from the cabinet, senate, delegate, or any election. Remember the next fight's important as the first fight. To stand up and be proud for what a Lord calls a birthright.
Just speak your mind, player. Just speak your mind, player. We losing time, player. We losing time, player. Just speak your mind, player. Just speak your mind, player. We losing time, player. It's more than rhymes, hater. Just speak your mind, player. Just speak your mind, player. We losing time, player. We losing time, player. Just speak your mind, player. Just speak your mind, player. We losing time, player. It's more than rhymes, hater.
I'm a hot-tempered bomb threat sender who needs to be bilingual. I'm plenty sick with 26 letters. That evidence has been registered at law as the King Cobra. With Polaroids of me attacking victims in manila folders. I'm from Strong Island with a mean backstroke, but I had to ever since the day Chris told me the bridge is over. I like cream in my coffee till I switch to mocha. They let me bust vanilla beans on my sofa. And I'ma be blunt, cause y'all is green as the Doja. You fighting for peace like daydreams of a soldier. And Queen Bee told ya, anyone can get locked up, even if they flick for some B.I.G. rollers. I rock a show in a Walmart white tee toe up, cause it's hip-hop when we roll up. The broken, the forlorn, unite in a fight with war horns, blaring throughout the speakers as we walk on.
Just speak your mind, player. Just speak your mind, player. We losing time, player. We losing time, player. Just speak your mind, player. Just speak your mind, player. We losing time, player. It's more than rhymes, hater. Just speak your mind, player. Just speak your mind, player. We losing time, player. We losing time, player. Just speak your mind, player. Just speak your mind, player. We losing time, player. It's more than rhymes, hater.
The game is ours, your training bras get snapped. Smack the wave from flames by laws exact. Precise with tracks, nice with wax we do. Fight with bats and lightning sabers flash. Wake up radio, shows us this or that. If you sell your soul to get some spins, spin around cause hell repeats itself. But where's heaven when we say that life is hell? They call us rappers, say we talk to beats. We talk to beating victims from police and politics that beat they laws and all. Heads and minds, we dead to rights, it's war. WW3 and 4 and 5 left alive, none of us will be. I must continue, hip-hop needs us both. So I am proud to call myself MC.
Just speak your mind, player. Just speak your mind, player. We losing time, player. We losing time, player. Just speak your mind, player. Just speak your mind, player. We losing time, player. It's more than rhymes, hater. Just speak your mind, player. Just speak your mind, player. We losing time, player. We losing time, player. Just speak your mind, player. Just speak your mind, player. We losing time, player. It's more than rhymes.
Hey, this song was brought to you by Building an Establishment. Fantastic for and viewers like you.
Acá estamos en el querido callejón. La idea era lograr, como ya dije en el video de la bici amarilla, la idea era lograr dos bicis, una con cosas más caras de mejor calidad y para mayor velocidad, y la otra para un uso más versátil, más cotidiano, más por el barrio. Entonces la configuración de la gris quedó así, ahí como la vamos a ver ahora, y la amarilla como ya vieron en algún video pasado, con toda la descripción y todos los detalles. Así que así fue la idea de dejar la bici gris. Así quedó configurada la gris. El cuadro, tanto como la vela, el asiento, las palancas, la relación, el plato de 48 con el piñón de 16 es exactamente la misma que tenía. Los cambios que ahora surgen son la herradura de freno delante, las horquillas que son la Schwab Rod Cruiser de 35, la marca la tenemos acá, y horquilla se le puso la original de acero, horquilla humilde como el cuadro, el stem que es marca 1, que está puesto al revés por una cuestión de comodidad, porque si lo ponía con el ángulo hacia arriba tiene un ángulo de ángulo de 35 grados y un avance de 60 milímetros. Si lo ponía para arriba me quedaba realmente muy alto. Entonces la idea era ponerlo así, porque el manubrio ya de por sí tiene 3,5 pulgadas de altura y es bastante alto. Entonces si ponía el stem para arriba me queda muy alto. Por eso la decisión de ponerlo en esa forma negativa que se llama, que es con la caída hacia abajo. La bici la verdad que quedó muy buena, muy cómoda y está para disfrutar en el barrio, dar vueltas por acá, en otros terrenos y darle como siempre. Bueno, hasta acá llegamos con esta nueva vuelta, esta nueva configuración. Esperemos que haya gustado, que entretenga, que sirva de algo. Y así disfrutándola a full en esta nueva versión. Y nos veremos en el próximo, arriba de cualquier bici.